Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Hunter Burkett. We do have a cool start to the day with temperatures down in the 50s, upper 50s this morning, with morning dry air sliding in behind a weak cold front, which will help keep the day spring-like. The front also is a focal point for some severe weather across the Gulf Coast and South Texas yesterday. Corpus Christi recorded over 6 inches of rain in just a few hours. The major flooding of cars and underneath water at Gregory. Tornadoes struck several communities, touched down 2 miles southeast of Gregory and damaging power poles along I-35. Another twister touched down in the Bay Ridge subdivision in Portland, damaging 50 homes and several vehicles. Alex is at the desk to give us an update about the system.
Thanks, Hunter. Well, coast is clear down in south central Texas. It doesn't show any activity of any rain or thunderstorms in the area. However, that weak front did move over towards east of us in Mississippi and Louisiana area. But it doesn't look like it's as strong as it was as past weekend. So there are going to be some thunderstorms still in that area. But the main warnings here are over in Louisiana. The advisories are still till 1 p.m. It's a flood watch. So they're going to keep an eye on that storm here. But as of San Antonio, we're going to have a nice, clear morning.
Well, that's good news. Well, Fiesta begins this week, and everyone is getting ready for the 2-week party to begin on Thursday of this week. The event features parades and many outdoor events. Organizers of the event usually pull out the official rain rock to help keep away the rain. James, do you think the rain rock will continue doing its job this weekend?
Well, Hunter, it does look pretty good so far. That system is moving over to Louisiana and Mississippi, like Alex was speaking about. We can really see where that front is on the water vapor image, as most of that moisture is over those particular regions. Our temperatures, though, are nice and cold to get your day started. 43 degrees in Amarillo and 73 is still pretty warm over in Brownsville. Our more local region, 54 degrees in Kerrville, and San Antonio is warming up quite nicely at 60 degrees. 60 degrees with a relatively low dew point for this time of year, but the pressure is still pretty high, up at 18,000 feet. That pressure is being dominated by this upper level high that we can see here, and that's going to kind of keep most of the system out of, most of the chances of rain out of our area, at least for the next couple of days. What we're going to be keeping an eye on, as Hunter was mentioning, is a weak cold front that's going to be passing through our area, and that is going to give us a chance for rain, but not really looking too promising. Most of that rain is still being calculated over South Texas, but nothing really over San Antonio, so no worries there. Today, though, we should warm up quite nicely to 83 degrees. Dew points will kind of continue to drop at 47, so it should be really nice, be really warm and dry out there. And over the next 7 days, what we're going to be keeping an eye on is that 20% chance of rain on Friday, but the rest of the week looks great, nice and sunny, highs in the low 80s. And upper 70s. So Hunter, you should get out there this weekend and enjoy the fiesta.
Well, I'm going to try to get out there and enjoy it. Well, thanks for joining us this morning. Look us up on the web at stormcenterlive.net for updates and follow us on Twitter.